Hello kids, good evening. How are you? I hope you are fine. Once again welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. We learn painting here. I hope you like this channel. Today we will do something new. Are you excited to learn it? Okay, let's start. Select the above number and complete the picture. It is bird.
Oh my god.
She looks very pretty. Nice color. Very good. I hope you are enjoying.
Bruh.
Good job. Thanks friend for being with me. Keep watching the video till the end. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.
Oh no!
Now it's complete. Till then, bye bye friends. Take care.